basket that is amazing for those things, especially when I want to have a specific things in a specific place. This is a cute way to keep it organized while you know if you're moving it around or just keeping the items there for toys or for I just want to put my gym clothes there and have it all there organized, and that's it, you know, without looking like a mess and all over the house. So this is the way that it comes, and let's just carefully open it. And these are the instructions on how it comes and how you can unfold it. And it says that you can stuff pillows inside of the basket, so you give them the shape and you can leave it there for like around 2 days, 1 or 2 days. And also you can iron the basket, that way it doesn't have any, you know, any marks or anything like that on, and that way it looks better. So this is the way that it comes, all folded like this, and look at how big this is. So this is fantastic. I'm so excited because so many times, especially while doing laundry and things, if you don't get to finish your laundry, then it's a mess all around the place. So this is something that I really wanted to have with me, because that way I have all the things organized. Even if I want to put all my husband's clothes over here when they're folded, at least if we don't have time to put them away right away, at least it doesn't look like it's all over the house or even in the room. It doesn't look all cluttered. You just put it over here. It's nice and elegant, and it fits a ton, as you can see. So I'm excited to have this one. I love this one. Is the oatmeal color, I believe. So look at this, you can fit a bunch of things inside of this. Also pillows, things for the kids, and whatever you really want or need, anything like that. So you can put also some blankets. So in this case, I'm just gonna show you all the things that you can put inside. Even if you want to put another one, you can totally fit another one. So this is what they recommend you doing. So this is what they recommend you to do. That way you give them like a shape and everything. And you can leave it like that or iron it, anything like that. But look how big is this. This is like super big and very nice. So I'm excited for this one.